We went a little lazy tonight. Not lazy, but strategic. We're about 200 yards away from where we want to hunt this weekend. I have a blind set up on the edge of the field, looking into the woods through the travel areas and on some nice acorns that are dropping. We're in the last half hour now. Been here since 3:45. Good 2 hours sit, 2 hour and 45 minutes sit, almost 3 hours. I gut shot that doe here opening night. I've busted deer out of here twice heading into stands. It's a good spot, but I try and leave